So deep. I'm not gonna lie, I could eat 1,000 of those. Or you can do the Filipino style. And I forgot what you call this, tabo, something like that. You can just dump some water down your back with one hand and use your other hand to wiggle your butthole. Yeah, like one hand water down the back, the other hand that'll be down here, like. You just can't.
Ốc lu.
You just can't.
Con trai út con dâu của Hoàng Bá Xì đúng không? Tô Yến Thành. Còn số mấy tôi quên
Baby, you just can't put things in my mouth without asking me first. You have to ask me first. Would you like to try this? You just can't. You just can't. Baby, you.
Started facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Alright, eating hot pot with my bros. Good times. Say hi, babe. Say hi, babe. My other little baby. Thank you. So I'm at my little lamb hot pot place. More like our drinking, eat everything, bone marrow. What do you call it? All kinds of stuff. Seafood, crab, steak place. That's the name right there. Come on, yeah, fat. Right across from this big thing over here. There's your landmarks for you, because I don't know where the hell I am. My brother is telling me he's going to buy this thing tomorrow. A Honda SH. And they told me that this thing is 125 million. Unless he's already buzzed and he's not doing his math right. What's so cool about it? No way. Are you sure, bro? Are you sure 125 million?
Yes, sure.
Dude, you can get, listen.
With them.
No,
Tomorrow.
we cancel. That's bullshit. So slow. It's like a grandma's bike. Listen. You can get 500 cc, 500 Honda.
Yes,
mine is 300.
Fine.
All right, so now we're at my brother's customer's daughter's snail business. Where are we? District 10, 11? I don't even know. 10. And we saw there's a mobile dog groomer here. How you doing? Nice business. All right. Hello. Hello. Yes. 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 You're getting a haircut, and then you will not be so hot. So how much VND? How much? Bao nhiêu?
Hả? Là bao nhiêu hả?
Babe, how much? 50,000, babe? How much to get a doggy haircut? Babe, I really want to shave all our dogs because it's getting hot, man.
It is his dog.
Oh.
So he do by.
Oh, he's doing his own dog.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was his business. My bad. Oh, yeah, you baby. So normally if you send it, it's 50,000.
No, they.
Mới sinh là 5 triệu. Mới sinh là 5 triệu.
Aww. Always watch your face, babe. You never know, a dog might bite you. You know, look at you. See the scar in my eyebrow and my lip? You see the scar? That's from a dog that I thought was friendly. Oh, baby, what's your name? Your name? Baby, look. Baby, look. Hi. Look at the baby ones. These are my brother. This is my brother. Chubby one. And yeah, he got corona right there. He's coughing it all out. He's coughing out the corona. And now we're at his daughter's snail place. Wow. Yeah, let's show what they got, babe. So hi. Which one's his daughter? Hi. That can't be his daughter.
It's good.
He says this is his daughter's. Where's his wife's in this place?
Daughter-in-law.
Which one's the daughter? Wrong way, I'm assuming.
Dạ để làm ở hành kêu thằng chị em mai đó hành rất là ngon lành.
Wow, oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know what's in there, man. Look at that big shell. This is crazy. It's like a big shell and a little snail inside. That's crazy, bro.
Maybe it's a finger
crazy that it's such a big shell. Right, you're seeing cool stuff now. So yeah, the sea snail. Sea snail. I love that.
Ngon lắm.
Sea snail. This is normally in the
Còn
shell. You gotta open
cái này
it.
xào bơ tỏi chấm
They
bánh mì,
open it
cái
already.
này cũng vậy.
I like
Rất
this
là
one.
ngon.
I like this one. I like this one.
We call this a finger snail.
Before you and Mama told me it's sea snail. It's in the two shell. You open it, right? It's green.
Yeah.
It's
Cái
green,
này chị hấp.
right? It looked like a little penis. I know it because it looked like a little penis.
Bây giờ thích con nào
That one looks like a little
để
penis.
cái con đi lấy.
Penis is not a bad word. YouTube should not stop it.
Cứ để
Yeah.
cái
This one too?
cái nào là đẹp.
Yes.
This one I like it.
Okay.
Cái này là nước tiêu
So you
xanh
just
nè.
grab the ones you want?
Cái này nước tế nè, cái này nước họ thành.
Get a few of those. These are good. I love this one
Cái
too.
này nước
Good.
phô
I
mai,
love
cái
this
này
one.
nước.
Hey, that you know what that one is?
Đó, cái đó
So
bỏ
deep.
So deep.
So deep. I know, so deep. So deep. This is so
Chị
deep.
biết mỗi cái đó thôi đó.
Okay. Yeah, a few of those. A
Cứ
few
để
of these.
cái
I love.
con.
No, it's just like simple, and
Oh.
then she knows.
Which one you want? Oh, you grab her one of each? Okay. What else, baby?
Không biết mấy anh làm gì.
And some of this, I love these.
How I can take it by my hand?
I don't know.
wanna
So you
eat
just
it?
tell her? No, just tell her. I don't know. You told me you
Cái này,
grab
cái này.
samples.
Sao tôi muốn?
This one and this one, right?
Vậy là lấy một cái vỏ để đi. Cái
So she might not remember the order. So you pick one piece out and you put it on the plate, and then she knows you want some of those.
Yeah.
But this one, like, there's no shell on it, so if you touch it, you're like, it's like you're making it dirty.
cái này
So, yeah, you want to try one of those too?
This one too. That's a.
Fuck it, let's try one of everything. Let's try one of everything. Fuck it, one of
Chắc
everything.
mỗi thứ một
One
món.
of everything. And two of these and more of these.
Okay.
All right, you got it? You made it happen?
Okay.
You got it? You got it? All right, you got it.
Shoulder rice.
Yes, yes. Oh, the prices. Yeah, good job. Okay, tell the prices, baby. Explain. Explain.
It's a 50,000 each.
Each piece? Each piece, or that's weight? Hold on, each piece? That's a lot of money if it's each piece. Each piece or weight?
Wait. It's
How heavy?
beach.
Piece.
Each like plate one this.
Oh, each plate. Each plate. Okay, one plate of them. This is the plate price of this. 50, 50, 50. I mean, this is cheap then. If it's for a plate of whatever, there's some expensive snails here. Okay, some are cheap, some are more expensive. What's this guy selling, babe? What's this guy selling?
He bought
Oh. He buys recycled metal. I don't know what he buys. She said he buys old stuff. He's coming back here. He's buying something from her friends. What's he doing?
He bought something. He bought some television or.
Oh, old electronics. And then he fix them and sell them.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Ask him what he does with the old electronics. I'm curious. Hi, Angelo. Hey, I want to ask you some questions. Ask him. Ask him. No.
He bought it.
Huh?
He bought it.
He bought what? He's buying something inside?
Yeah. He bought something.
Hmm.
Hello.
So his speaker is just saying, I buy old electronics. Broken, working. What?
Broken or.
So what he does, he brings it to a company that breaks down the circuit boards. They take out all the little circuits, the little processors, the little resistors, diodes. Yeah, you know what I mean? And then they sell them back to a factory that can reuse them.
I think so too.
Hi, are you the daughter-in-law?
Biết tiếng Anh đâu.
Is that the
No
daughter-in-law?
risk.
Nói là chị là.
Yeah.
Yes? Angelo, nice meeting you. Don't worry, no one in a mask. Angelo.
Okay.
Oh, Fung. Okay. I'm doing a YouTube for your place, okay?
Yeah.
All right, then you have big business. Because I'm not YouTube famous. I'm not YouTube famous at all, and I'm a little buzzed right now. Good times.
Okay.
Let's do a picture. Ready? Hey, come here. Let's do, here. Hey, we do a picture. Picture. Hold on. M. Picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. Thank you. I'm praying right now. He got it. He knows what he's doing. Okay, we have a bunch more snails.
Mười
My
mấy năm nay
brother,
rồi.
customers. That's
Con
a
không
friend of
hỏi.
his has.
Giờ này cu lớn rồi, cu
He's a
hỏi.
retired fixing motorbikes. This is sea snail,
Có cái không? Có.
the green
Từ
kangkong.
đây sao cảnh
My favorite snail.
chứ không phải rớt
We got clams.
Đồ
We got other snails.
bắt là lắm
And
á.
we got this one. What's this
Lắm
one
nè.
called?
Mà dưới quê
That one?
thấy
What's
mấy
it
cái này
called?
gạch bông như vậy.
Nhưng mà ngược lại anh biết sao không?
I don't know.
Cái cách giải
So deep?
Việt
No.
Nam mình hồi xưa đó là cái gì?
No.
They do.
Là do khổ.
These are other shell clams, ocean fish. Good stuff. So, nong, yeah, nong. Nong.
Sinh ra con người là
Nong, very good.
Cái đưa vô
That's the
là-
boss. That's the boss down there sitting relaxing. So everything, we got new ones. We got new snails. Big ass snails. And I'm gonna eat this one right now, babe. You said it's safe. Oh shit.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Really?
Goddamn. You told me it's safe.
I call you like
hot, even
I
if it's
told you careful.
I thought you ate one already.
No. No.
Oh well, then that's a lie. Ah,
Đó. Đâu nó đầu nó nghĩ vậy, nó học rồi nó nghĩ khác các bạn.
the hot grease flew out of my fingers, bro. I burned my fingers, man, for real. Alright, I'm gonna go with the lemon salt. Oh no,
Thôi rồi đó,
pepper
là
and lemon.
con anh. Tại vậy.
Ah. Oh my god.
Đồng ý, nó sống mình như là cha con như bạn bè thôi, không có gì hết.
Very good.
Thì về nó bên
I don't know
công nghệ thông tin. Nó là
honestly how that tastes, but
đây là gần nhà má đó.
it's just good.
Cái bắt đầu cái tu cặp thôi.
Alright, let's try one of those.
Khoan khoan khẩu đó. Khoan nói thì cái đèn
This hot, this hot.
thì nó có cái là tâm
It's
rồi.
hot, really hot.
Chỉ nó khoan đũa đó. Cái nó
Pause.
tính giờ là sai à.
Cái
Nhưng mà
tâm
bạn nói với con là tâm
Yeah.
tâm cũng
Pause and we'll come back later.
cái bạn món
Cheers. Give me the nod. When it's recording. Yeah, I know.
À.
In Vietnam, only your best friend can feed you.
It's hot.
Where's the snail, bro? You suck, bro. No, good
Cho
job.
thêm mấy nước mắm luôn.
No more. There's no snail.
Yeah,
rồi,
yeah,
không?
yeah.
Anh lạc về anh Giang cái ảnh
Where's the snail,
ngon
baby?
luôn.
That's a nail. They cut it.
They cut it? Oh,
Mấy
that
anh nhiệt
sucks.
tình này vui lắm. Giờ anh không nhiệt tình thì các cháu làm bạn à. Nhưng mà anh nhiệt tình vậy là mình chơi tới sáng không dạy ảnh à.
Anh chơi 2 ngày luôn.
Dạ.
Dạ.
No, Russell. No.
Yeah.
đi ra nhiều như vậy.
Uh,
Cách như vậy.
that's the,
Use spoon.
Đó.
no.
Tự nhiên nó tắt máy.
I like the other one.
Tự nhiên nó tắt máy.
Not a fan.
Này nọ.
Là chỉ cầm ngon.
So the one I just eat.
Không khoáng lắm.
Show them what it looks like. The outside, the outside. Turn the shell, the shell. This snail is really freaking good. This is probably my second
Thay
favorite.
qua thay qua cống là
I don't
ngon.
know, it may be my new favorite.
Việt kêu
Really good.
không bằng Việt Cộng.
It's a wool.
Yeah, a lot of meat.
Mấy vàng hơn.
I don't know.
Ủa, Việt kêu không bằng Việt Cộng này.
W-O-O-L.
Từ
Wool.
đó
Oh, yeah, it's
nó
called
dẫn
wool
tôi
snail.
anh.
Because you know why? I thought it's got like freaking hair on it. You see that? It's got like
Má của mình đi-
it grows hair.
Không,
So
ngoan.
that's why it's called wool snail. Look how good this camera is. That's pretty cool. You can see the hair. Wool snail. But really good, really meaty.
Ew, stop.
Mình nói là hỗ trợ lắm mọi người. Tôi ở Bắc Tông 36 ngày, má tôi cũng khủng.
Alright, next up, this is called So Deep. So I look over here and this when we look at the camera. Alright, right here. This is called I keep looking at the camera, at the screen. So deep. So deep. This stuff, I can't describe this, man. This is like spicy mayo.
Là nó đồ lây.
I don't know how to describe
nó
it.
sắp chết cho anh á, là để cho anh
That's
một
my brother
chuyến
over
là
there.
coi như là khuyến mãi đi du lịch á.
And
Thì
that's
anh có bà
my
chị
pretty
ở
lady
Bắc
right
Kinh.
there, babe. Say hi.
Ở đâu có đưa địa chỉ đó,
Say
rồi
hi,
nó đưa qua nó
pretty
hẹn ngày mình ngày thứ bảy là mình phải trở về cái
She just had her braces, so it hurts for her to chew.
Ô, mẹ anh chơi
So
6
deep.
ngày thôi em ơi. Má cuộc đời. Má, không có ai chơi với mình chơi vắng quen mà nhà nào giống y vậy đó. Má cái nhà nào giống y vậy đó mình đi mua đồ.
I'm not gonna lie, I could eat 1,000 of those. Alright, so if you're wondering what a Vietnamese bathroom looks like, well, you can put your curiosity to an end. You got your typical sink, you got your hand soap, you got your toilet. Now you'll notice what's missing. Toilet paper. Okay? So you can use the what we call the bum gun, or you can do the Filipino style. And I forgot what you call this, tabo, something like that. You can just dump some water down your back with one hand and use your other hand to wiggle your butthole. Yeah, like One hand water down the back, the other hand it'll be down here, like, you know what I mean? So that's the Vietnamese bath. Looks like they made some nice fashionable candles over there out of the most common beer in Vietnam, Tiger. So yeah, that's what a Vietnamese bathroom looks like. We got the urinal on the wall right there, so the messy boys can go up in front and they don't mess up the back for the girls. So high five. That's a shared bathroom in Vietnam. It's like on Ho Chi Minh, and you got kids running around in the street just like you do in the Philippines. Kids playing outside, not inside playing on Xbox, playing on PlayStation. Kids outside having a real life, learning how to socialize. Things that are lacking in America big time. Take it from me, an employer. I've interviewed a lot of people who just, you know, they have their resume looks really impressive. All right, slow down, dickhead. Wow, what an asshole. So that was a female driving, okay? I mean, I don't know why people tolerate that shit. Like, so I thought of an interesting video. Like, I'm thinking when people drive the wrong way up oncoming, and they do that here quite often, I was thinking like we should throw water balloons at them. I thought no, we should do something even better, like tar and feather, like oil and then like feathers. That video is coming soon. Talk to you soon. DreamBigKid.com. Please like and subscribe. I'm here with my ugly brother and his customers. He is a retired motorbike repair guy. This is how kids drive on the motorbikes. That's how you get around when you're a kid in Vietnam and in the Philippines. So, yes, and this is the motorbike retired repair guy. His daughter-in-law runs this nice snail place. Come check it out. And we'll put the address. The address is somewhere. I don't really know the address. It's can't see the address. What's the address? Address. Oh, there we go. This is where we're going. Na vi hai ao kiên chok we kak ban su noi 0766-889034. Give them a call. All right. Got the best snails. Ho Chi Minh. Very good, very fresh. And most of all, very clean. No dirty water around. The outside here is very clean. Like some areas where I eat snails, there's dirty water going by. There's everything. So, okay. Back to the party. Hope to see you in Saigon soon. All right, after 1 year in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, with a Vietnamese, well, 9 months of that, probably with a Vietnamese girl at my side, I finally learned what WC means. WC does not mean wheelchair access. It'll take you into the bathroom. So we're like, what does WC mean in English? And I'm like, I don't know. But in the Philippines, like it's CR, which is like comfort room. And she looked it up. She Googled it. What's it mean? Water closet. WC means water closet. And you know why? Because most Vietnamese bathrooms don't have toilet paper. They have a gun with water. We call it, foreigners have nicknamed it the bum gun. You just shoot it at your butthole. And I like to go side to side, up and down, side to side.
A World Cup. A webcam.
World Cup. No, it's not World Cup. No, it's not World Cup. That's soccer. But they did win. Vietnamese did take the soccer championship last year. I don't know about this year. But yeah, so WC is a little girl and a boy picture. That will lead you to your bathrooms in Vietnam. Okay? Now also, when you see the bathroom, Nam, N-A-M, is boys. Backwards, it spells M-A-N, man. What's girls in Vietnamese? Nam, N-A-M is boys. What's girls? How do you spell it?
N-U.
New. And backwards, it spells un. This will probably be no help to you. Man, sometimes you just gotta get out of here and survive, alright? Come out of your comfort zone. Quit being a little pussy all sheltered in America or anywhere else abroad. Come out here, go to the Far East, man. Just try living for a little while. You never know what you're capable of until you try. DreamBigKid.com. I have a blog there, some posts if you like to read text and see pictures. That's all that's there. Dream Big Kid, one word on YouTube. That's my YouTube channel. Please do that. And at the end of my videos, I will ask you to subscribe and like. And I don't get paid by YouTube. I wish I knew how to get paid by YouTube, but here's what will happen. It'll put me in front of all the other foreigners who walk around to the same boring places every day and don't show you anything unusual. I take you deep into the neighborhood. I show you pretty girls like this one. Man, Vietnamese, a lot of Vietnamese girls have big boobs. See that? It's crazy. A lot of Asian girls don't have boobs, but look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face she's giving me. Babe, a lot of Asian girls. I've been all over Asia exploring. Ah, she pulls my chest hair. Anyways. Yes, this is the neighborhood. These are real people. My brother, he's done okay. He has a big tire business now. But he started out with nothing, and he built everything he has just like I did. Nobody gave him nothing. That's package delivery right there. That's your Vietnamese call it Shopee. It's like Amazon for the Vietnamese. And these are real people, real friends, good people, good friends, good times. So, come to Vietnam. It's a very beautiful country. You're gonna lose some weight. You know, do the quarantine if you gotta do the quarantine. Hopefully you won't have to. But yes, I've been here just a little over 1 year, and I'm safe. But I have street smarts. I've traveled a lot of countries, okay? But just common street sense, you know, you'll be okay. So, good people, good food. I went down 6 notches on my belt in the last few months I've been with her. I've come back up 3. So, I don't know what's happening. I think she's trying to feed me a bunch of rice and noodles so other girls won't find me attractive, right, babe? Right? Is that what it is? You okay? You're getting dizzy? You're getting dizzy? Your eyes are so closed, bro. Can you open your eyes? You're trying to what? Chewing? Oh, yeah. So Fung had our braces done. Show your braces, babe. Yeah. She can't chew with her mouth closed right now, so. She's got to chew her food like a Great Dane or a Mastiff. She's getting through it. All right, good times. Come here, eat snails. Have a good time. This is the place. Okay. You're in District what, babe? District 10. District 10, nice and clean. You'll see some other places kind of shady, not so dirty. Dirty water going down the street here. Spotless. Okay, come enjoy. And there's a nice breeze right now. It's a miracle. But yes, I think I'm getting adjusted. You know, it's not easy, not at all. A lot of traffic, a lot of pollution, but sometimes you get a little break from all that, right? You get to come out here, you get to eat and be with real people. Real food, I mean, I can't describe the food. Listen. Real vegetables. That's a bunch of greens and garlic. So delicious. Okay, real people, real friends, telling real stories. Vietnamese people are very humble, and they're just they're very faithful people. Most of them are Buddhist. Believe it or not, there's a big Catholic presence here because the French occupied Vietnam for a long time. So during the French occupation, a lot of them became Christian. China? What about China?
Like French.
They were here too, yeah. That's why she's got the Chinese eyes. Look, babe. Let them show me your eyes. Look right here. If you look at her closely, look. You see a little bit of Chinese there. Everybody asks her, like, where are you from? They don't know she's Vietnamese. That's why I chose her. Anyways, good times. DreamBigKid.com. DreamBigKid on YouTube. Please just hit like and subscribe. Doesn't help. Doesn't. So good. You like it? It doesn't pay me at all, okay? But there's a bunch of other foreigners running around Vietnam acting like they know what's going on. And here's what it is with me. I've been taking videos every day. I've got thousands of videos to post that I never have. So I'm going to dump like 1,000 videos on YouTube at once. And within a week or so, I'm just going to dedicate a week of my life to that. And then, but you posting that, liking that, or making a comment, it keeps me on top. Like, I'm interesting, and I'm cool. And, I'm out here with fun. We're going to do motorbike trips. Her leg is sore because she crashed her motorbike. How many times have you been in a motorbike crash? How many times?
One.
Not in the last month. How many times in total? 3. How about that guy we nailed together? Are you counting that one? We nailed one guy. We nailed a pedestrian. I'll tell you about that in another video. Good times. Come to Vietnam. Hi, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh. All right, you'll be okay. Look me up. I'm here. Bye. Just had a great idea. I'm gonna start the drinking Olympics. The drinking Olympics here in Ho Chi Minh. He's on my team. This guy. Him. Yes. He's on my team. Drinking Olympics. You could be the coach or somebody. I don't know. You can't drink too much. All right, so when you think you're going home in Vietnam, you're not going home. It's just you're just getting warmed up. Someone else ordered some more snails, even bigger. These things, okay, I got very big hands. Very big hands. So to give you an idea, this is the size of this, man. Okay, I have very big hands, very big wrists. That is a big snail. Hold this. I want a video. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try. I know. I got mine here. I got my own.
I can.
Well, baby, I got one here. Don't worry, I'll try to go back to it. Now we put it back. Don't worry. Oh my God. Look at the shell. The shell is so beautiful, though. I mean, that's just a pretty amazing.
The code is a queen.
Ah, shit! I just got high
Queen
grease.
snail, I think.
Queen snail. They cut this one too, babe. How do they cut it? They cut it up in little pieces. See, I thought I'm gonna pull it out there and whole. It's actually easy to eat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be pooping snails for like 3 days.
Nasty.
Hey, this is a lot of snail, man. These things are massive.
Thực tế bộ, thực tế mà nó thực tế.
Try the soup.
Không lại gì á, sáng uống cà phê. Rồi xong rồi về ăn cơm.
Vậy thôi.
That's a nước mắm.
Vậy thôi.
That's amazing. Oh shit. Alright, so I gotta do this? Do you have more? Can I have your lime? Can I have your lime? Squirt it in here. The lime. Oh yeah, okay, good enough. Alright, there we go. That ought to do it.
Anh ơi, 4 vậy hả? Xin lỗi nha.
What's on my face?
Share it on your face.
You can't swear on YouTube, bro. It demonetizes us.
Mà em thấy mình đi hát thì mình thấy nhưng mà mình đi chỗ này á thì lại con bộ mình thôi.
My jaw is actually tired.
Đúng
I'm
mấy mình
eating
khi
snails all day.
không biết cái gì là cái gì. Đấy, thôi lên đó.
Look at his face. He's so fucked. Look at his face. He kept me alive though for 12 days. Never underestimate the Vietnamese. Chat, look. He's video chatting. He's following everybody. He's following everybody around the restaurant. He's like, tell me how you cook these snails. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. He's okay. He's not too bad. Tomorrow we're gonna go buy a little girl's motorbike for him. Tomorrow I gotta have company to buy a little girl's motorbike.
Không sai chỗ nào. Biệt danh là Thịnh Cao Bồi ở Nhân Trạch. Kính thưa các bạn,
when the Vietnamese go Facebook Live, everything's that's it.
Ngon, bổ, rẻ, giá bình dân. Còn rẻ nữa thì chắc không có, bởi vì ngon tươi không à. Cái đồ tươi.
We're gonna go Facebook Live tomorrow.
Nha. Các bạn thôi và chào. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
y như thiệt là
You just can't.
ốc lu.
You just can't.
Con trai út con dâu của Hoàng Bá Xì đúng không? Tô Yến Thành. Còn số mấy tôi quên à.
Baby, you just can't put things in my mouth without asking me first.
Thử ăn ốc liền.
You have to ask me first. Would you like to try this? You just can't. You just can't. Baby, you. Listen, some common respect. You just can't tilt my head backwards and put whatever you want in my mouth, okay? Babe. Babe. Holy pepper. That's a lot of pepper right there.
Em nhai không nổi.
Babe, you can't put whatever you want in my mouth. You gotta ask me.
Ai
Cho
nhai?
bạn con ăn em.
Babe. Babe, she's looking for shit. I put in my mouth. Babe, stop. Babe, I'm so full,
That's
babe.
my mission.
Babe, I'm so full, babe.
That's my mission.
That's it. Game over.
You want me to take care of you, right?
You're overfeeding me. Tell me to lose weight. Tell me to lose weight, but you feed me so much every day.
I'm just taking care of you.
No. You're trying to make me so fat other girls won't look at me.
Giờ Facebook hết thế giới luôn nha. Chứ giờ luôn thì nó ít quá.
Say good night. All right, babe. Hey, 1, 2, 3. All right. Good shit. We got to go home. End of the night. DreamBigKid.com. Dream Big Kid on YouTube. Subscribe, like, hit alerts.